Hey everyone, welcome to the Electric Supercar channel. This week I'm going to show you how I made this workbench for free. Let's get to it. Inside my new garage we have some leftover pieces from framing. I'm going to turn these into a workbench. Alright, I just have some leftover deck screws here. So I like to build my wood structures a certain way. So what I do, so that one's measuring about 0.15. So what you want to do is you want to drill the one that the screw is going into, and then it'll actually bite into the other one and suck it up. So these are some casters. I got these on eBay. They were roughly $15. Alright, my battery ran out while I was putting in the casters. Got some 3-inch casters. Said it'll take up to 200 pounds each. I think that should probably be sufficient. Looking really good. If you're anything like me, you'll have a gallon of paint or so laying around from some previous project. So today we've got Blue Zephyr. So this makes it really inexpensive. Also, you can always go to the hardware store. Lots of times they'll have paint that somebody misordered and you can get it for really cheap. Got it all painted up. I don't know, for me, just anything other than wood looks just a little bit better. All right, let's say you didn't have a pile of wood laying around or some deck screws. I'm gonna put here the plans I used as well as the cost of materials, just in case you need to get some. As you can see, it does not take a lot of money to make a bench like this. Let's face it, horizontal workspaces are premium real estate.
The flat surface, garbage can, kind of a flat surface. Flat surface, flat surface, flat surface, everywhere.
Every single horizontal space is always filled with something, so you always need more. Therefore, the workbench. All right, that does it for this time. See you next time.